I don't know if you all can see this that well, but this is actually a fire out by Trabuco Canyon, on the left-hand side of the screen, kind of in that area over there, is Saddleback Mountain, and this is a fire that's going on right now. And I'm trying to zoom in so you can see that on the news they're saying it already has burned 1,000 acres. And there is a fellow YouTuber who lives over in that area whose name is Daveda Lane, and I have her in my thoughts right now, and I'm hoping that she and her family are safe. And Daveda, if you do happen to see this, please know that we're thinking about you. If there's anything that we can do to help you, please let us know. I know that they've evacuated Trabuco Canyon and Holy Jim Canyon, so just wanted to put that out there. Not sure if you're going to be looking at anything or not, but this is what it looks like. So to all of my YouTube friends out there, I hope you'll keep her in your thoughts and prayers as well, and hope that she and her family are safe and that their home remains safe. So far it's burning away from the houses, but you know, if the winds shift at all, it could very easily get down into where the housing locations are. So I will keep you posted.